Special installation instructions for your roll-up fresh air screen. Tools required. You will need a hammer, hacksaw, and a stepladder to install your roll-up screen. You will also need a 3/4 inch plastic conduit, which is available at your local home center store. The length of the conduit should be the same width as the screen you have purchased and will installed in the fitted pouch at the bottom of the screen to give it rigidity for easy roll-up. Included in your roll-up fresh air screen kit, 4 eyelets, 3 pull cords, 1 short, 1 medium, and 1 long length, pull cord cleats with screws, staples. First, install your fresh air screen as shown on enclosed installation instructions, pages 1 and 2. Now look at your roll-up fresh air screen installation sheet. First, locate the 3 pull cords in your kit. Note that there are 3 lengths, short, medium, and long. All enclosed pull cords have a taped end. This is the end that staples to the header. Locate the taped end of the longest length cord and attach to the header on the street side of the garage door screen, approximately 12 inches from the vertical edge of the door jamb, using a hammer and 2 staples. It is important to note, depending on which side of the door the pull cords will be cleated for adjustment and operation. You will need to attach the longest pull cord to the opposite side. For example, if the pull cords will cleat on the right side, you would start by attaching the longest pull cord on the left side. Next, locate the taped end of the medium pull cord and attach it to the header to the street side of the screen, using a hammer and 2 staples. Repeat this procedure for the 3rd or short pull cord. Now locate the 4 eyelets from your kit. All of the enclosed eyelets go into the header approximately 1 inch from the screen, on the inside of your garage. Place the first eyelet into the header across from the longest pull cord that you attached earlier. You may want to drill a small hole to start the eyelet screw. Tighten the eyelet substantially. Install the second and third eyelets across from the other remaining pull cords on the inside of your garage. Now run all 3 pull cords under the screen and up through their adjacent eyelets. Take the longest pull cord and run the excess through the middle of the eyelet towards the cleat. Then take the excess of both the longest and the medium length pull cords and run them through the third eyelet. Place the fourth eyelet about 6 inches from the vertical edge of the door frame on the side nearest the short pull cord. Next, install the cleat approximately 3 feet down from the header on the door jamb on the side nearest the short pull cord. Finally, take all 3 pull cords and run them through the fourth eyelet and down to the cleat. Tie the cords together about 12 inches below the cleat and cut off the excess pull cord while the screen is in the down position. At the bottom of the screen is a fitted pouch. Slide a 3/4 inch plastic conduit that you can purchase at your local home center store into that pouch. Please note, the 3/4 inch conduit usually comes in 8-foot lengths, and depending on the size of your screen, you may need to purchase 2 of them and butt them together. Cut off the excess pipe with a hacksaw so the pipe stops inside the edge of the zippers. The installation is complete. By pulling the 3 cords, the screen will roll up. Wrap the cords around the cleat to secure the screen at whatever height desired. From 1 inch to completely rolled up, the choice is yours.